What if I tell you that you can make extra income from your guests without actually doing anything extra, and at the same time increase guest satisfaction? Sounds interesting, right? Keep watching. Alright, first thing first, what is this all about? It is called affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, it's when you recommend products or services and earn a commission for every purchase made through your referral. Think of it as being rewarded for sharing your favorite things. Easy, right? See, almost every business nowadays offers a commission for recommending them. From superstores to pharmacies, taxi services to food delivery, everyone. And the coolest bit is you don't have to speak to anyone about it. It's all out there. You simply go to their website, register as an affiliate, and they will give you a special tracking link. That link is all you need to pass to your guests, as maybe local recommendation or as a general tip as part of your information pack. The most amazing thing about this special link is that when the guest clicks on your link and purchases any product from that store, it will automatically track and reward you for the commission for the sale. Now let's talk numbers, because that's what you're really here for, right? How much can you actually make from these affiliate sales? Well, it varies a lot. You can expect anywhere between 1 to 30% of the total sale anyone makes using your link. And some businesses offer a lifetime commission too, which means not just one time. If someone registers to their business using your referral link, any purchase they make during their lifetime will earn you a commission forever. How cool is that? But such deals are very few in numbers, and you will need to spend some time researching them. So let's dive into some travel essentials that your guests might need, and I will throw in some specific examples for US and UK as we go along. So this is where you can add value to your guests and earn at the same time. The first one is attraction tickets. Companies like Viator, Get Your Guide offer commissions on tickets sold. You can simply recommend the best attractions to visit in your area, and the guest will appreciate the recommendation as well. And if they purchase it, you get a commission at no extra cost to the guest, and it's a win-win for everyone. The next one is transport services. Companies like Uber and Lyft, or even a local taxi company in your area, they all offer affiliate programs. They are perfect for airport transfers. Just share your referral link with the guest. They will get some money off their ride, and you earn a commission. Next is the food delivery services. DoorDash in US and Deliveroo in UK have affiliate programs you can easily sign up for and recommend to your guests. Car rentals is another avenue. Enterprise and Hertz have affiliate programs and are widely used in both US and UK. You can also recommend local SIM cards. Companies like giffgaff in the UK offers commission for any referrals generated through your link. It is great for international travelers. Another one is Wi-Fi hotspots. Companies like Solis and Travel Wi-Fi offer portable Wi-Fi devices with a commission on rentals. It is ideal for international travelers. You can also recommend travel books and maps. For example, Lonely Planet offers a commission, and it is a trusted source for many travelers around the world. For guided tours, companies like Sandymans offers walking tours in various cities, and you can earn by referring guests to them. For travel insurance, World Nomads is a go-to for many travelers, and they have a solid affiliate program. Another one is airport lounge access. Companies like Priority Pass offers a commission on any sales generated through their affiliate, at the same time adding a touch of luxury to your guest travel. Another one is language learning tools like Duolingo and Rosetta Stone have affiliate programs. Great for guests visiting new countries and trying to learn their culture or language. This is just a short list of things I can cover while keeping this video short, but the list and the possibilities are endless. I will leave a link to a more elaborate list in the description below for you to have a look at, along with the affiliate program links you can directly click and access. Some of these websites may require you to be a content creator, which means you need to have a website or a following somewhere on social media. If you don't have either of these, don't worry, there are plenty of freelancers out there who can spin up a website for you in a matter of days for under $100, which you can then use to get an affiliate approval from these websites. I will leave a link in the description for a step-by-step guide you can follow to get your content website up and running within a few days and for under $100. The key here is volume and relevance. The more relevant the product or service is to your guest, the higher chance they will use your referral. And that means more income for you and a bit of convenience for your guest. So there you go. While these commissions might seem small individually, they can really add up, especially if you have a steady flow of guests. It's all about finding the right fit for your property and for your guests. I hope you find these tips helpful. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more such no-nonsense advice about hosting and earning more from your rental property. And leave me a comment below if you need more info about any of these things mentioned in the video. I will see you in the next video. Happy hosting.